Hello, my name is Amanda Vaya, and I'm here to tell you about the book I read, which is called Get Good with Money. So, this book was written by Tiffany Alish, and she refers to herself as the Budgetnista. Basically, this book starts with her sharing a financial story from her past in which she started off failing but quickly built it back up. And the reason she does this is because she wants to prevent others from making the same mistakes, or if they already made those mistakes, she wants to teach them how to overcome them. So the whole book revolves around budgeting, saving, and investing. And there's about 10 chapters in this book, and each chapter goes into a different step on how to become financially whole. And she goes into really deep detail, but she makes it easy to understand. So to compare the book versus a video, the video I'll be talking about is Stop the Bleeding with Dave Ramsey. In the video, Dave Ramsey says to cut credit cards out of your life, cut your actual credit card. He doesn't think they're useful when trying to save because he thinks that you might fall into a deeper financial hole by borrowing money that you can't pay back. So he only wants you to stick to cash and debit cards, money that you actually have. While the book says that credit cards can be helpful because they help you build your credit, which is very helpful when you're trying to make a large purchase and they have to run your credit, because if they see you have a good score, your interest rate will be lower. Now, the book versus the textbook have more in common as they both revolve around planning and organizing. The textbook says that it's important to think long term, and that would help you financially plan, and financially planning leads to good money management. And the book says that you should employ every dollar you have, so give every dollar a job. And to do this, you have to create a money list. So you get money from here, and you're going to spend it here. You already have it planned out. Now, the book versus the discussion, they both revolve around being aware. The discussion I'm referring to is Analyze Your Previous Month's Spending, where Yvette Oliver and Peter shared that they pay attention to everything they spend and everywhere they spend it. And the book is similar to this because, as I mentioned, they create plans with itemized lists so that you know where every single dollar goes. Now, 3 recommendations Tiffany Alish shares are to examine your expenses so you know how to edit your budget plan, to stay ready so you don't have to get ready, which is a good thing to live by, and to help to start and try to grow your net worth, which is something really interesting that not many people talk about. And the way I apply my learnings to my own personal life are making edits to my current budget by employing every dollar, as I talked about. And I wanted to be more detailed and more specific in my plan because I want to be more aware of what I'm doing. So that about wraps up my presentation. Thank you for listening.